Hi, everybody. I'm going to give you the directions for the first part of the financial literacy unit. The first part is where you're going to learn as much as you can about financial literacy. How to choose a bank. What are credit cards? What's the difference between a credit card and a debit card? How to apply for a loan? How to write a check? All those kind of things. So what we've done is we've created a website for you. There's a link to it in the assignment. I'll switch to it here. The website has all the different parts of financial literacy. Then, as you're looking through the website, there is a Google Doc that you want to answer some questions on. I have that up here. You can see first part is banks. How to choose a bank. First question asks you, describe in a paragraph how banks work. Well, what you would do is you go to the website and you choose part 1, selecting a bank, and it takes you to the web page where we've got various video lessons. Most of them have 3 or 4 video clips on there, and they're pretty short. They're mainly 2 to 3. I think the longest one is like 9 minutes. Or if you don't feel like watching videos, you can read some articles as well. So let's say you want to choose, you want to see the video. So you just click this first one, Banking Basics. You can full screen it. Okay, and it gives you an introduction on how banking works. You can also go over to the article here and click on it, and it tells you exactly how banks work. You can read if you want. Okay. So each topic has a set of questions that go along with it, and each topic is spelled out on the web page here. So there's 9 parts. You want to go through all of them, and let's see. Let's look at part 2, credit. Okay. Here's your part 2 credit questions right here. Okay. And you can answer those when you're on the web page about credit cards. Okay. And again, you can watch the videos, or you can read the articles, or do both. Okay. So once you get all the way down to part 9, by the way, you can answer these questions on this doc. You have a copy of this document. So wherever you see the questions, just start typing below it. The last part is how much do children cost? And we have all of this in here, identity theft, investing, and so forth, because part 2 of the project, after you go through all of these lessons, part 2 of the project is actually creating a monthly budget for your family. You'll have a spouse and 2 kids, and you're going to have to account for all your money for the month. So, but that's part 2. Anyway, if you have any questions about how to do this, don't forget that Mr. V and I are going to be in the video chat every morning, roughly 8:30 till about noon. You can also email us some questions. If you have questions in the afternoon, we'll get back to you as soon as we can. All right. Thank you and good luck.